Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Marios Hadjikyriacos. Preliminary PMI data out of France and Germany for June have been released and were disappointing overall. While the service sector prints were more or less in line with forecasts, the manufacturing figures fell substantially. The continued malaise in manufacturing amplifies the prospect that the ECB will act with force in the coming months and deliver an extensive stimulus package. The euro fell on the news, and the near-term risks remain tilted to the downside. The US dollar was at the epicenter of attention on Tuesday, powering through all other major currencies to touch a two-month high against the euro. News that American negotiators will head to Shanghai next week for trade talks may have augmented the dollar's gains by lifting U.S. bond yields and stock markets, but did not trigger the move. What's striking is that the implied probability for an aggressive 50 basis points rate cut by the Fed in July barely moved, staying static near 20%. The point is that more easing is priced in than the Fed is likely to deliver next week, which means the dollar may have more room to run higher for now, especially if Friday's GDP data are solid. One of the themes that could grow into something much bigger soon revolves around the Swiss franc and the extraordinary gains it has posted recently. Simmering trade tensions and fears of a global slowdown are clearly fueling demand for the safe haven currency. More importantly, though, major central banks have started to ease, narrowing Switzerland's rate differentials with the rest of the world, and by extension, making the franc more attractive. And yet, Switzerland's infamous central bank has remained on the sidelines lately. However, it is unlikely to continue to do so. If the franc continues to gain, especially against the euro that may be weakened by ECB easing, the S&B will eventually have to step in. The real question is what level and euro-franc policymakers will choose to defend. In this sense, any drop below the 107-108 area may be a headache for the bank. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching us at xm.com.